2007 Ford Expedition 5.4 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys. Got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. He wanted not a lot of sound, just like about 50% louder than it was. So we went with a vibrant 3-inch in, 3-inch out muffler. And then we had to add this pipe to it, 3-inch pipe. Then we continued his tailpipe 3-inch all the way through into a 4-inch tip. Rolled edge right there. So that's how the vibrant goes on these Ford Expeditions. And like always, guys, please subscribe, comment, and like all our videos so you can keep getting more and more content. Let you guys hear it in a second. That's perfect. Look at that crack. Sound decibels, go ahead. Yeah, it's right at 95. About 98, that's perfect. I think that's what you were wanting. That's the muffler we cut off, guys. That thing was massive. Is that exactly what you were looking for? Yeah. Yeah. Not too much, not too little. Expedition XLT with a vibrant. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford Expedition. Vibrant exhaust. There it is. All right, go ahead. Enjoy it, man. Thank you.